Chahi yamsilakliba makai aikoigi immune system sontara ihaibasi khangna tongan ba laina dagi ngakthokna ba vaccine kapthokpa yamna mathau tai haina Babina Diagnostics Imphal gi Laboratory Director Dr. Babina Thangzamna phongdorakli wafamasi starasida ihanan boina ngasi Babina Specialty Hospital AOI da haudokiba adult vaccination program da mahakna phongdokibani Khabai Soi Sajiwal Jail Rota Leiba Hospital Asida Pangtokhiba vaccination program hongdokpagi thauram maduga mari leinana Dr. Babina Thangzamna hai vaccination haibasi angang amadi Naupuri binupi singi oina aikoina lawi ahal singi vaccination asi aikoina kaya lumna khanjilude amadi masigi matangda lawsingsu leinade munna yenglurabadi ahal singsu tongan ba anaba singdagi ngakthokna ba vaccine kapthokpa yamnamak mathau tai Sahi yamsilakli makai aikoigi immune system asi sontharakli bani marabaduna chahi yamsilaklaba ahal singna anaba singdagi lapna leihona ba vaccine kapthokpa maru oi haina magna phongdokhi Adult vaccination ki matang da miyamna maru oina thengnariba singnaba se vaccine kapagi akamalasini amarom da ahal singda vaccine kapthokpagi chang yamna nemliba se hiramasi ki matang da miyamda lawsing leitaba amati healthcare provider singna su miyamda vaccination ki kanaba sing ningthina khanghandabadagi ni Vaccination ki kanaba sing asi munna khangduna yariba makai vaccine kapnaba honaduna masamawu phaba kunai ama ohenaba pumna magna honaminasi haina mhangna makataki
Vaccine, we all know, is the mode of primary prevention. And so vaccination should not only cover children and pregnant women, it should also cover adults as well as the elders. And it is also particularly important for adults and elderlies because, when we age or we get older, then our immune system gets weaker and then we are more susceptible, we get more susceptible to lots of infections like influenza, shingles and so on. And in that case, vaccination, that is adult vaccination, will help a lot in reducing these illness, even hospitalization and mortality of these patients. So vaccination, mainly adult vaccination, is also very important compared to vaccination of the children and pregnant women.
Vaccination program hongdokpagi thauram aduda Babina Diagnostics Imphal gi Laboratory Director Dr. Babina Thangzam AOI gi Facility Director Manas Mazumdar amadi AOI gi Radiation Oncology gi Senior Consultant Dr. TI Tomchana mathang sina Chief Guest of Honor amadi President wina saryaki ngasi hongdokhiba adult vaccination program aduda influenza shingles herpes zoster pneumococcal HPV, hepatitis B, pertussis amadi Haemophilus influenza type B gi vaccination program sing yauri.
Normal vaccine can save people's life. They forgot everything. They're ready to pay 1 lakh bill, hospital bill, 1.5 lakh hospital bill, but they're not ready to pay 5% or 10% amount for a vaccination in a year. We all are in a developing country. When countries develop, the age of people also in a higher side. The average age in India, I think you people know. And what is the percentage of age? How many people said they are more than 50, more than 45, more than 60? That age we are not taking care. Grandson, we are taking our grandson to the vaccination center. We are happy.